And before coming to this, I have visited other clinics also. But once I came here, I have few more doubts. But because the hair transplant is a huge surgery for me, so when I visited and when I have asked many doubts, the doctor here are very patient. They have cleared all my doubts. And when I get to know about this and about the prices also, it's very minimal to get this done. And before surgery I was very nervous. I have very anxiety plus excitement also. But when I came here, when the surgery is begun, so once I have laid down on the table, on the surgery table, then later it was a great experience. The technicians over here are very mannered and very friendly. They have cleared, and they when I asked them how they are doing, what they are using, they have said everything without hiding anything. And once I have done my halfway through, then I have an amazing lunch over here. Then after that also, when the grafts were implanted, at that time whenever I feel a little bit of pain, they started to ask me, if you feel any kind of pain, just let us know. So when I let them know, so they have made me so comfortable, and I have a great experience over here. So I definitely recommend, if any of them going through hair transplant, please visit over here.